This year changed my life. I sold my house. I quit my job and I moved here to the house I am still building. I sold my house mainly because it never felt like home to me, even though I lived there over 20 years. This place here was always important to me. This belongs to my ancestors, and I spent very good moments here as a child. I think this kind of connections means a lot. The house I sold was also too big for me. I've been thinking about this decision several years, but the moment never felt right. In this year, suddenly all came together, and I believe this is one of the best decisions I made. Here I feel at home, even if outside is dark and rainy, and I am happy every single day. I thought this will go much faster. It's the first floor I ever built. I enjoyed beauty of our nature. I moved in completely unfinished room because I wanted. In northern climate is very important to have proper insulation. I built the walls. With new door, this building finally starts looks like house. I quit my job because work stress came overwhelming for me, and I decided I need to put my health first. Wasn't too easy decision because without a job I need to live really very simple life, but this decision was right one too, because I feel much happier without all this stress, and I enjoy simple life and slow days, honestly. Plus, this gives me time what I need to finish my building, and I have plans for my garden, because I am really into gardening, and I want to create something really beautiful. And not only beautiful, because self-sustainability, this word is always difficult for me, is important too. And since I don't have much income, and I really enjoy to grow my own food, I simply put all this together, and for me this means I need to grow much I can myself, and growing my food, creating garden, cooking from scratch, all this is very time consuming, and with a job this is impossible, be honest. And I think it's important to live life what is meaningful, what gives happiness and satisfaction. So I choose this over money what I would have with my job, or with job generally. And this doesn't mean I don't work. Now I walk you through my garden, and starting from June, I believe, because all this planting they took plenty of time, and actually I didn't start very early because of moving and so on. You can see how everything is grown bigger, and flowers are in full blooming. It's so beautiful. This flower bed will looks so much better in next year. For the next year, I have some plans. This year, I believe it's not so life-changing, can't be so life-changing like this one right now. But I will continue. I will continue my building, and certainly I will continue with my garden. It will be slow and it will be honest. And I like to share this with you. So let's go together through this long winter and through this years what is ahead of us. Thank you.